What's up guys, Average Tech Guy here, and today we are going to be looking at the all new case from Poetic. This is the Revolution. Let's check it out. Okay, so we have a new case here from Poetic. They sent me over a couple of their brand new 2019 line cases. This one is the Poetic Revolution. Now, right away, you see you get all kinds of branding on the back. You get the Poetic P, you get Revolution right here, stamped on there, and you get the Poetic branding right there at the bottom, as we can see. Now, this case is not going to charge a pencil. It's not going to do sleep wake functionality, but what it will do is it will protect your case. This is a hard outer shell, hard TPU, has a kickstand. Kind of reminds me of UB Pro. You got that kickstand. We got Apple cutouts right here up top as well as down bottom. Now, this is two separate pieces. You know the drill. We got to break this apart. This shell has to come off, and then we have to get it around that iPad. So let's do that. With any of these cases, this is iPad 11, 11-inch Pro. We're going to put that screen on first, just like that. Next thing we are going to do is put this in lock mode so the orientation doesn't keep flipping. But now we have this hard rubberized TPU. You got hard out shell on the back, soft on the inside to absorb impacts. We're going to take this and we're going to get it over in here. Now, I like to take these cases and put them in going down first, because that kind of seals in this charging part down here. So I'm going to make sure it's on here good first of all. I'm going to line all this up. And then I'm just going to start sealing it all the way around. Now, it does take a little effort because this is a very protected case and you want to get that tablet in there the right way. And when you get finished, you just rub your fingers along those edges, making sure that everything is enclosed. Just gonna line everything up. We have the iPad in there and it is ready to go. Let's unlock it. Face ID. Okay, got it unlocked. Now, you do have fingerprints on there. Please excuse those fingerprints. But this is what you have. You get your 11-inch iPad Pro in here protected with the kickstand. Gonna stand it up just like that. Have your kickstand. You get full landscape mode. You don't actually get a typing mode because it's just only going to stand up. It has one orientation. Once you put your kickstand up, lock it back into place. We're going to look at this camera recess. Camera is nice and protected down in there. You get your P, you get your Revolution, you get your Poetic. There we go. Everything that you need in a protected case. Up top, speaker ports. Can we get a focus? Please focus. There we go. Speaker ports are open. Right here, speaker ports are open. Charging port has a flap that's going to protect it right there. Buttons are nice and tactile. Top button works really well. Nice and tactile. Okay, cool. So we like this case. It's a nice case. I'm going to do a review between this as well as the new Otterbox that I got and the Unicorn Beetle Pro. I have two models of that one that is just like this and one that actually holds a pencil and charges. But for right now, you get no charging. Let's test out the screen and see if there's any lag. So finger test first. There we go. No lag. Pencil test next. So the screen is not hindering any of my pencil or finger tests. Now let's do this. Do a quick writing test. Average Tech Guy. Looks like it's writing 2019. There we go. Everything looks good. So this is the Revolution case, the all new case lineup from Poetic. You can go pick one of these up. It comes in 3 separate colors. They're going to cost you about $24.99, but it's a very good case that you can protect your iPad with for under 50 bucks. So I'll be sure to leave a link below to this in the description. Hope this is able to help someone. You can go by Amazon, pick you one up. Until next time, be sure to give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.